final stage of preparation to declare the result is on, and then the candidates today wanted to know when the written results will be declared. So we have explained to them that throughout this recruitment event, we have received around 172,000 applications, out of which around 128,000 candidates take part in the running the physical efficiency tests, and finally around 58,000 candidates have qualified, and they some of them came to appear in the written tests with few absentees. In total, around 54,000 candidates have appeared in the written tests. So right now, the firm which is engaged for conducting this written test and the whole process of recruitment, they are processing the preparation of the result sheets. They are also handling a huge data of around 54,000 candidates, reading the OMR sheets where the answers are given. So they are taking some time to declare, but hopefully very soon we will be able to declare the results. As soon as they are able to submit the final result or the statement of the written exam, then CRB in a position to declare the results. Right now it is not possible to give you the exact date, but hopefully within this month or by next month we should be able to give the declaration of the results and start the interview for the selected candidates. They wanted to know all this, so we have explained to them the position, and they appear to be satisfied with that explanation. Yeah, if anybody has any queries, any doubts, or any questions regarding the ongoing process of recruitment, you're welcome to come to CRB office or to come and meet me. I'm available in the police headquarters, and the CRB office is here, so I can be available here also if anybody want to meet me in person. It takes time. We are dependent on the firm, the contractor, so they have taken little extra time. We were hoping to declare it, the complete final result by first week of September. Our target date was 1st September. However, there is little delay from their part. That is why this delay. But then it will not be delayed further. Hopefully within this month or next month, we should be able to declare it and call for the interview of all the selected successful candidates.